Good afternoon, Cheap Jeepers, and welcome back. Today we're going to be installing what I think is probably the most useful and best mod I have ever done on Brum the Jeep. Alright, so today we're going to be installing a bottle opener. It's one of those mods that, well, it's one of those things that whenever you're either camping up the beach, camping in the bush, or whatever, it's one of those things that you turn to someone and you be like, do you have a bottle opener? Most of the time you're like, nah, do you not bring one? So, today we're going to be attaching one to the Jeep, so it's always with you, so even if you forget to pack one in your camping gear, there's one attached to your Jeep. Okay, so my plan is, my number plate used to be on the spare wheel. I'm going to relocate it to here using these holes already. Then the nut that was holding the number plate on, I'm going to screw, wherever I put it, I'm going to screw the bottle opener onto there, and it's going to sit just behind my spare wheel, and that should be pretty good. I think I'm going to be pretty happy with that. So let's relocate that number plate to there, take the spare wheel off and get it on. By coincidence, the bolt that I had in the middle of my spare wheel for the license plate fits the hole in the bolt opener absolutely perfect. So all I've got to do is put the bolt in behind, thread it through and screw it in, and we're pretty much done. We're going to open our beer and have a pretty good Friday. And we are done. How good does that look? Had to kind of bend it down a little bit, try and get the spare wheel over it, but I think it looks pretty good. So time to crack open a beer and enjoy a Friday night. Cheers. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. As I said before, if you've got an idea for a video that you would like to see, leave it in the comments down below. I'd love to hear your ideas. Hope you liked this video. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.